Good day, and welcome back to Hyuga House. Today, why don't we talk about this little log cabin that's absolutely perfect? You are sure to fall in love with this traditional handmade log house built in a style that has been around for centuries. Traditional handmade log houses have long proven themselves to withstand any sort of weather or climate that is thrown at them. That said, proper maintenance and log house design are important to ensure the life expectancy of your log house lasts several generations. There are many benefits log house living. For starters, natural timber provides a warm and healthy environment. Traditionally, built log houses are usually low maintenance, and the thermal retention of wood provides reduced heating costs. The gate style log house has a charming upper balcony where you can look out at the stars at night, and a lower covered patio perfect for relaxing with your morning cup of tea or entertaining with friends. This log house is beautifully crafted with handcrafted logs, each one a little bit different, for a log house full of character and charm. The gate style lodge cabin building has a nice floor plan that makes good use of space. On the main floor, there is the covered deck, an open kitchen, dining, sitting room, and bathroom. Upstairs, in this charming log cabin, there are two additional bedrooms, a sitting area, and a covered balcony. The gate style log cabin is available in three designs. These beautifully crafted log houses are good examples of handmade log house designs by Polish and Slovak Goral craftsmen using large, flat, and semi round logs. These logs have a unique character and beauty all to their own, and attention to detail, and they don't resemble log houses that are mass produced that often use thin timber walls. The log houses are built alongside traditional Goral craftsmen whose knowledge and experience in log house building that has been passed down from generation to generation. There is a certain quality of these log house builds that you will find nowhere else, with each log house being unique to the owner's individual needs and taste. Log houses can be said to be nature at its best. There is something about a log house that makes you feel at peace with nature while you stay there, and log houses are always in style. Log houses have been around for hundreds of years, and they're still popular. Log houses are environmentally friendly. Log house construction uses much less prefabricated building products compared to conventionally built homes. Log houses have natural insulation. Log houses have something called thermal mass. This is because of the air cells in the wood fiber, which help to provide one of the best forms of insulation from either the heat or cold. Log houses stay cool in summer and very warm in the winter. Log houses require low maintenance. A log house built with treated logs will offer weatherproofing that is unmatched by any other natural building material. Log houses retain their beauty through all the four seasons. This log house company is based in Belfast in Northern Ireland, and they focused on building beautiful, quality log houses. What sets these log houses apart from many others is that they are handmade. They are building using natural log house construction methods. You can see the difference in the way the log houses look, and that is because large and semi-round logs are used. The log houses have a unique style and simple, eye-catching beauty of their own. These beautiful log houses have natural character, with rustic timber floors, wood-burning stoves, antique building materials, and more. And that concludes our video for today. If you like this video, please consider dropping a like, because it would definitely help this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. We are going to be featuring new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. So I hope you have a great day, and we will see everybody in the next video.